Resetting YouTube TV on a Firestick can fix loading issues, buffering, freezing, and sign-in problems. Here's how to reset the app in just a few easy steps. Step 1. Go to Firestick Settings. From the Firestick home screen, use your remote to scroll right and select Settings. Step 2. Open Applications. In the Settings menu, select Applications. Step 3. Manage Installed Applications. Choose Manage Installed Applications. Scroll down until you find YouTube TV, then select it. Step 4. Clear Cache. Select Clear Cache. This removes temporary files and fixes most minor issues. Your login stays safe. Step 5. Clear Data. Full reset. If the problem continues, select Clear Data. This resets the app completely, like reinstalling it. You will need to sign in again afterward. Step 6. Force Stop Select. Force Stop to fully restart the app. This helps when the app is frozen or unresponsive. Step 7. Reopen YouTube TV. Go back to your Firestick home screen, open YouTube TV, and sign in again if needed. Bonus tip. If the app still misbehaves, uninstall and reinstall YouTube TV from the Amazon App Store. Your YouTube TV app on Firestick is now fully reset and ready to run smoothly again.